Are your popcorn making skills so bad that your burnt popcorn is just covered with so many toppings it's not even funny because you just want to make it taste decent? Here's a day where that's no more. We're going to be going through a little video that will teach you how to make the best microwavable popcorn. Plus, you'll also see a wide variety of toppings that can help spruce up the popcorn once you master the popcorn making process. Let's get this started. First step of the popcorn making process, choose the brand of popcorn that you would like. Whether it's flavorings or dietary restrictions or it's just the pricing, there are so many things that you have to consider when you are trying to purchase your favorite popcorn brand. For me, my favorite brand has to be Perfect Popcorn. So I have it right here. Just there you go. I'm going to purchase this. So the next step of this popcorn making process is opening up the cardboard box like so. You will see two flaps that are usually made of cardboard that you can just rip with your bare hands. I have one little tip that I want to say before we move on. Do not, under any circumstances, throw this box out. There are some brands that have the instructions for making the popcorn on them, so do not throw them out. Always check if it's on the microwavable bag or if it's on the back of the box. So the next step is opening up the popcorn bags that are inside the popcorn box. So usually they come in these bags that are wrapped in plastic. Let me just grab some in here. I'm just gonna reach a little bit and go down. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to finagle this, but it looks like I got it. It's got a little plastic wrapping, which we're going to be opening now. We're going to be removing the plastic off of the microwavable popcorn bags. So you can use a little tear or some scissors to remove the plastic off. Or you can do something like this, where I'm just going to grab it like so. And then I'm going to put this in the garbage and move on to the next step. I have now unfolded the popcorn bag and have looked for the instructions, which in the case of Perfect Popcorn is right over here on the back. You can see it says you have to shake the popcorn bag to ensure that all of the kernels will be popped evenly. So you don't have the all too common problem of having unpopped kernels in there when you're done. I'm going to do it for around 5 to 10 seconds. So I'm just shaking it, just keep shaking it, drop it off. And now we're going to be setting up for the microwaving process. So we are currently at the next step, which is putting your popcorn on the right side in the microwave. So as you can see, in this case, there was text saying this side up. On the back of the bag, it said this side down. The one that says this side down, you put face down on the floor of the microwave. The reason why you do this is because of the fact that there's these materials inside of these microwavable popcorn bags. It's called susceptors. They convert all the energy that the microwave is giving them into heat, creating bigger popped kernels and less unpopped kernels that are in the overall bag. It is very important to do this. I'm going to put this in the microwave on the correct side. I'll meet you when we get to the next step. See, I have my correct sided microwavable popcorn bag here, so I'm going to put it into the microwave so you know how to do it too. So I'm just going to quickly pick it up, reach. Oh my god, so hard to reach. Ah, there you go. And now we're just going to close the microwave and then do the very next step. The next step to creating your popcorn is choosing the correct time and temperature for your popcorn. You can either do it manually by using buttons like this power level one here, or you could set the time and temperature automatically by pressing this popcorn button and letting the microwave do it for you. The instructions differ from brand to brand, so I highly recommend just checking the instructions that were given to you along your microwave in order to get the specific details for your specific microwave. I'm going to press the popcorn button. I just pressed the popcorn button, so now my popcorn is going to start cooking in the microwave. I'm going to be waiting for the popcorn to be having a 1 to 2 second gap between each pop. When that happens, I know that the popcorn will be done. So when your popcorn is initially done cooking, take the popcorn out, shake the kernels again, and put the bag back in for another 10 to 20 seconds. Then repeat this process around 2 to 3 more times, so that way all of the kernels are popped. The next step that you have to do once you're done cooking your popcorn is opening the bag away from your face, because you do not want to be inhaling all that smoke and all of that hot air. I am going to rip it off right here and open it away from my face. And now we're going to head to the next step. The final step of the popcorn production process is putting in the popcorn into your chosen bowl. So you place it in here. And with that being said, I want to thank you for watching this tutorial and taking the time to learn about the popcorn making process. And I'm Elizabeth Rivera, and that is this tutorial.